I got my pieces up in Georgia for that shit. I got the places up in California for that shit. I got a Nokia for that shit. I got my pieces up in Georgia for that shit. I got my pieces up in California for that shit. I got my Nokia for that shit. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Peaches by Justin Bieber and Daniel Caesar. Okay, so we're gonna have our capo on fret number 5 for this song, and we're gonna be playing these simple chords. First we have a C. C is open 3, 2, open 1. And then instead of open, the last string, we're gonna play it on 3rd fret for this particular song, okay? Because that's what really brings out that whole, all right, in the song, okay? So we have C first, and then up next is a B minor 7, which is originally played 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, or you can play it as the bar chord. And in this particular case, we're going to be playing it as 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, and then 1, okay? Or just bar the 2nd fret and play 3rd fret of the B string. Then we go to A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, okay? That's your E minor. And then, yeah, that's it for the chords. Lastly, we play a G major, which we're only going to pluck strings 6, 4, 3, and the way to hold it is 3, 2, open, 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 1. Okay, so that's your G. Okay, let me show you how we're gonna be playing this chord. So first we have C, and then we go to that B7. Right, so C, and then B minor 7, and then A minor, and then G. Okay, so C, you're plucking 5, 3, 2, 1, and then you go to B7, and you're plucking 5, 2, 1, and then you go to A minor and pluck 5, 4, 3, 2, and then for G you pluck 6, 4, 3. Okay. I got my pieces up in Georgia for that shit. All right, and sometimes you can pluck 6, 4, 3, 2. All right. So that's pretty much it for this song, guys. I will be doing full tutorials on the whole album, so check those out. Just subscribe and you will get the notifications. All right, that's been it.